This is Preah an 11th century Khmer Hindu temple perched atop a cliff in the Dangrek Mountains. For Cambodia, it is a symbol of ancient glory. For Thailand, it is a symbol of contested sovereignty. For centuries, borders here were fluid. Nagbago ang lahat nung sinakop ng France ang Cambodia noong 19th century. Ang gulo ngayon ay isang patunay at isang pamana ng colonial era ng mga European dito sa Southeast Asia. In 1907, France and Siam, or today's Thailand, signed a treaty to define their boundary. French surveyors drew maps placing Preah Vihear on the Cambodian side, but the line was based on French cartography, not necessarily the natural watershed boundary the treaty described. For Thailand, this was a cartographic slight, but for Cambodia, it was colonial-era proof of ownership. Noong 1962, kinampihan ng International Court of Justice ang Cambodia at iginiit na ang templo ay teritoryo ng Cambodia, pero hindi nagdesisyon ang korte sa 4.2 square kilometers na lupang nakapaligid sa templo. So kanino yan? Walang sagot dyan ang ICJ. The flashpoint came in 2008 when UNESCO listed Preah Vihear as a Cambodian heritage site. Para sa Thailand, ito ay pangaagaw hindi lamang ng templo kundi ng buong lupang nakapaligid dito. Kaya lumala ang tensyon, nagkaroon ng bakbakan mula 2008, 2009 at noong 2011. Pati nga ang templo na damay sa gera, bagay na kinundena ng UNESCO. Nitong Mayo lamang muling sumiklab ang gulo sa Emerald Temple. Lumala ang bakbakan mula sa barilan sa ground hanggang sa airstrikes. Marami ang namatay na sundalo, libo-libong sibilyan ang lumikas. On August 7, Malaysia, backed by the United States and China, brokered a ceasefire. ASEAN observers now monitor the situation. The Thai-Cambodian War is rooted in a map drawn over a century ago by French colonizers. A reminder that colonial borders can leave deep scars, and that history still shapes today's battles. Ito ang totoong kwento, and that's Kwento de Minuto.